The threads seen in our web of life weave themselves in nature's tapestry, creating patterns that are all around us. From wildlife to landscapes to the food we eat, our skin, cells, and even more. We are part of the bigger pattern where humanity's very existence depends on nature. But our patterns of unsustainable activities are disrupting our connection to nature. Habitat destruction is the main driver of biodiversity loss. Rising temperatures risk irreversible loss of marine and coastal ecosystems. Industrial and chemical pollution is degrading the integrity of 1/3 of the world's soil. We need to heal our relationship with nature because nature sustains every aspect of human life. When nature thrives, so do we. 80% of the fruit we eat grows thanks to pollinators like bees. Marine biodiversity supports over 3 billion people. 40% of medicines today draw from nature and traditional knowledge. We need to prevent, halt, and reverse the loss of nature. We are not apart from nature. We are a part of nature.